my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.
This next drink is Brazil's national drink. It is the Caipirinhia. It is cachaça rum, fresh lime, and sugar. Pretty simple. Now, if you were to substitute out the cachaça for vodka, we'd have a Caipiriosca. Many different ways to make this cocktail. I'm going to make it the way that I got taught when I was in Sao Paulo in Brazil. Now, it is a muddled drink with fresh lime, sugar, and cachaça. One technique is you can muddle it in a shaker, shake it, and then dump all the ingredients in a glass. That is one method. But we're going to go for the traditional, build it in the glass, muddle it in the glass, and just use regular ice and give it a stir. To start with, I'm going to take a whole lime. I'm going to cut off the top and tail, and I'm going to cut the lime in half. And one thing they taught me, which is great, it avoids some bitterness, is we want to cut out the middle vein of the lime, the pith. So I'm just going to take my knife, and I'm just cutting out the white pith, like so. Now I'm going to take that half lime, and I'm going to cut it into 4 chunks. So this is a little different preparation to how you normally cut your garnish limes. So I got my 4 chunks. I'm going to put them in the glass. And instead of simple syrup, they like to muddle it with just sort of pure superfine sugar. So just 2 spoons of sugar. And then we would muddle. But a quick tip here is that we're going to put 2 ounces of cachaça in this cocktail. But I like to just add a 1/4 ounce right now. And that's just going to help me muddle it. Having that little bit of liquid in there is just going to help me muddle. So I take my wooden muddler, hold the glass, and I just push down firmly but slowly. I don't want to break the glass. And I just want to release the juice from the lime, and I don't want it to splash everywhere. So you just want to do this with a bit of control, sort of push down and twist. Once I'm happy that I've got most of the lime juice out and I've got those lime oils within the drink, I can add the remaining 1.75 ounces of the 2 ounces of cachaça for my cocktail. So now we have all the ingredients in the glass. So I'm making this the traditional way. Crushed ice is a great alternative here, but I'm going to use regular cubed ice. I'm going to take my bar spoon, just put my hand just to protect so I don't want the ice flinging everywhere. But I'm just stirring it through. I'm just pulling the sugar and the lime throughout the drink and just starting the chilling process off quickly. Again, once I'm happy that's mixed all through the drink, I just want to top it up with ice. Presentation's important. And I'm just going to take one of my regular garnish limes, and I'm just going to put that in the drink. That is there for the guests to squeeze extra lime juice if they want it that little bit more sour. And that there is the Caipirinhia. But as I said, if we substitute it out for the vodka, we'd have a Caipiriosca as well.
Put my head down, shuffle my feet. You'll never get the best of me. Your sticks and your stones.